Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, I'm currently turning this Mercedes Sprinter into an off-grid, go anywhere, sleep absolutely anywhere, kind of stealthy camper van. And today's video, or tonight's video I should say, it's Friday. Usually every Friday I upload a video, but this week a little bit different because I have been really under the weather. Literally, it's been raining, I've got a stinking rotten cold, and I just haven't managed to get in here, unfortunately, to finish this off in time for tonight. I really wanted to get this done for tonight so I could upload a video, but I've only half done it. It's not complete. I have been recording stuff, I've been preparing a video, but like I say, due to the bad weather and bad health, it's not quite finished, and I didn't want to do a part 1 part 2 type video. And tonight I was going to just post a photograph, you know, type of thing. Sorry, no video tonight. But then I got a message literally just a minute ago, and it's 5:30 now. It is Friday, and usually at 5:30 on a Friday I would be preparing to upload a video, but like I say, it's just not going to happen tonight, so I really am sorry. But Horizon Detect just sent me a message. He says sorry, excuse me, gagging for a video. So I thought, you know what, I will make a video, just me talking and fill you in on what's been going on. So yeah, sorry to everyone, but I would like to say thank you also to everyone for all your get well soon messages. Loads of people have sent me messages saying hope you feel better soon, and thanks to a lot of drugs including steroids, all sorts of stuff I've been taking, I do kind of feel a lot better, thankfully. But there you go, this is just a little sneaky preview on what I've been up to. So this is what I've been up to the last couple of days. I've been finishing off my kitchen cupboard, so I'm not going to show you too much because I don't want to reveal everything. Just give you a little preview of what I've been up to. Also, my flue for my wood burner, I've got all the bits I need now. I did start fitting it and I did start filming it, but then it started raining, so that's another setback. So I was kind of hoping to get that video finished for tonight, but again, I didn't want to do a part 1 and a part 2 video. I want to get it all in one, so I'll get a whole video, the whole process, if that makes any sense. So those videos are in the pipeline. Oh, sagging down a bit. Camera's deflated a bit like me. So yeah, I have got videos in the pipeline. They are coming. I'm working on them, and hopefully tomorrow I'll get to finish this off, and I'll finish filming it as well, and then I can edit that video maybe Sunday morning and get it uploaded for Sunday evening if all goes to plan. But there you go, I just really wanted to fill you in on what I've been up to. I have been busy, but also I've been trying to recuperate at the same time. So I've been ill for like 3 weeks now, since New Year's Eve, I think. Yeah, New Year's Day I woke up with a cough, and it's literally a couple of days ago it's just subsided enough for me to start working again. You can probably still hear I'm a bit croaky. So yeah, right, before I go, I just want to let everyone know that the Urban Stealth Campervan Man is back. Brett is back. He's opened his channel up again, so some of you probably already know him. So it's the Urban Stealth Campervan Man. Go check out his channel if you haven't got anything else to do tonight. And yeah, he's a good bloke. Years ago, he gave me a shout out when I only had, I think I had about 600 subscribers, and he had a few thousand subscribers back then, and he did give me a mention on his channel, and my channel kind of blew up since then. So I do owe Brett a massive thank you, and that's why I'd like to give him a shout out, just return that favour. So yeah, if you haven't seen Brett's channel, then please do go check him out. That's the Urban Stealth Campervan Man. He's an artist and he lives in a van. Really good artist as well. Amazing pictures, some of the pictures he does. So yeah, go check him out. Because this video is going to be really short. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and by subscribing to my channel you help me feed a cat, and I've got 2 and they're hungry. Thanks for watching and have a good weekend. Hopefully I'll see you Sunday. Ta-ra for now.